आर सीईओ जिला पंचायत. Yes. 21/9/2024 को आप ही से कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी. You file your explanation, clarify this position. कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं कोर्ट के आगे आके. ये ऑर्डर आपके पास दे रहे हैं, बुलाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं आपसे, उसके बाद भी आप क्लेरिफाई नहीं करा पाते. इस प्रोविजन के तहत रोक रहे हैं आप. एक्विटल के बाद देयर इज एनी प्रोविजन टू स्टॉप ऑल दिस. वांट टू से समथिंग? You don't want. And without any provision, I will also direct to stop your salary for 3 months. क्या कहना है आपको, बोलिए.
सर जो आपका आदेश होगा सर हम पालन.
No, I don't want to pass any orders. You want to stick to this order?
पिछले हियरिंग में ये पुट किया गया था कि स्टेट काउंसिल हैज स्पोकन टू द सीईओ ऑफ दैट, but actually by mistakenly they had spoken to the district education officer. Sir, so the case was not with the officer. I came to know about the case paper yesterday. As soon as I came to know about the case, sir, I moved the submission.
Yes. This case was not in your knowledge?
No, sir.
Who has filed an explanation in this? On the earlier round, you have given an explanation. 27/9/2024 order sheet. You are CEO जिला पंचायत. Yes. 21/9/2024 को आप ही से कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी.
नहीं सर.
You said with me. One of the deputy AG has informed me that he was connected to this district education officer, and in fact he wanted to speak to the CEO's Jila Panchayat.
At least see what you have argued on 27th.
Yes, please.
That is why he was called for.
This explanation was not filed; it was given orally.
आपने क्या बोला था कोर्ट के सामने, वही ऑब्जर्व किया.
ये बोला था कि अपील पेंडिंग है, इसलिए हम सस्पेंड हैं.
पढ़िए तो क्या लिखा है.
Counsel appearing for the state submits that in pursuance to the direction given by this court on 21/9/24, he had a conversation with the CEO Zilla Panchayat. Respondent number 3 who was informed him that the appeal has been.
आज आप कह रहे हैं कि सीईओ से हमारी बात ही नहीं हुई है.
CEO से भी.
ये चीज आपने उससे क्यों नहीं कराई?
He was also present.
क्या पूछ रहे हैं आपसे? You made a statement that CEO जिला पंचायत से आपका conversation हुआ है. And this was observed in the order.
Yes, sir.
And that is why he is here.
Yes.
Yes. आप आज कह रहे हैं कि हमारी सीईओ से बात ही नहीं हुई है. ये क्या स्टैंड है आपका?
In fact, the district education officer was connected by the office and then the deputy AG.
You file your explanation, clarify this position. कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं कोर्ट के आगे आके. Just because of your statement, this officer is here. And he is clearly saying that he has not talked to you. और आपका statement गलत है फिर ये.
I'll inform you.
Statement given by Deputy Advocate General is wrong then. And for your mistakes, the officers are present before the court. ये order आपके पास दे रहे हैं, बुलाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं आपसे, उसके बाद भी आप clarify नहीं करा पाते. Nobody has bothered in your office. In pursuance to order date 27/9/2024, the CEO Jila Panchayat so and so is present before this court. He submits that he had no conversation with any of the government councils as reflected in order date 27/9/2024. The order sheet date 27/9/24 reflects that a statement was made by the Deputy Advocate General of the state pointing out the fact that on 21/9/24 he had a conversation with CEO Jila Panchayat / respondent number 3 who has informed him that an appeal has been filed by the Lokaayuk department against acquittal order. Therefore, they are not in a position to revoke the suspension order of the petitioner. Under these circumstances and based upon the statement made by the Deputy Advocate General, the CEO Jila Panchayat was directed to remain present before the court. However, today, the CEO himself is present and submits that he had no conversation. Surprising to see that such casual statements are being made by the state council before the court, compelling the court to direct for personal presence of the authorities in the matter. Full stop. Yes, क्या कहना है आपको इस बारे में?
मैं आपको the deputy AG बताया.
What do you have to say for this?
The deputy AG ने बताया.
आपने इन्फॉर्म भी किया उनको कि ये मैटर आ गया है?
Inform किया ना.
Yes, despite of that he is.
I asked him to appear in this case.
But despite of that he is not appearing. so and so appears on behalf of the state and submit that he has already informed the Deputy Advocate General regarding the mistake being committed by him and asked him to appear before the court. Despite of the same, he is not present to pursue the matter. Yes, or kuch. He tenders his unconditional apology for the mistake which he has committed on behalf of the Deputy Advocate General for the state. Full stop. Next paragraph. He has further informed that while order date 39/2024 issued by the Chief Executive Officer Jilla Panchayat Bhopal, the suspension of the petition has been revoked.
My lord, if I may submit, my lord, pursuant to that order, my lords may refer to the last paragraph of the order. The increments, all pay allowances have been again kept subject to the pendency of the criminal appeal.
Yeah. कैसे रोकेंगे आप ये सारी चीजें?
I had informed to the CEO,
Ask him to explain. He is here, na? On what basis you are stopping all these things? You are stopping the payment.
Not stopping the payment.
Then
There's an appeal has been filed, sir, so the arrears has been.
लॉकडाउन प्रचलन होने के कारण पूर्व के वेतन बंधों का भुगतान माननीय उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर के अंतिम निर्णय के उपरांत किया जाएगा.
I had informed him, my lord, this would not be proper in light of the acquittal. इनको पता है.
क्या कहना है इस बारे में आपका?
जो भी डायरेक्शन सर आप देंगे करें सर.
जो भी डायरेक्शन, कोर्ट को कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं करना, आप अपना स्टैंड लीजिए. क्या करना है आपको? After hearing your stand, court will direct.
As of now, sir, since the appeal has been filed by the local police, sir, so we had withheld the arrears.
Under what provision you are withholding this? किस provision के तहत रोक रहे हैं आप? Acquittal के बाद there is any provision to stop all this? Want to say something? You don't want. And without any provision, I will also direct to stop your salary for 3 months. What informed? He is here only. क्या inform करेंगे आप? आपको जो inform करना होता है वो नहीं करते आप लोग inform. He is before the court. What he is taking? What stand he is taking? क्या कहना है आपको बोलिए.
सर जो आपका आदेश होगा सर हम पालन.
No, I don't want to pass any orders. You want to stick to this order?
Let's change the orders. Let's change the orders.
क्या चीज?
Let's change the order.
हाँ बोले माइक में. In fact, my lord, in the present matter,
You are for
state,
and he is for.
no, state, my lord, I have appeared in the last time.
So what?
My lord, I was communicating the office, my lord. There was a bit miscommunication, my lord. The DEO and the CEO. I asked the office to call the CEO, but he made a call to the DEO. Then I asked them that why you did not revoke the suspension. So they did not have directly at that point of time a specific answer.
You want to justify this order?
No. I am saying, my lord, they have committed a mistake and they
Has committed a mistake.
my lord,
They
mistake.
have committed a mistake and you have committed a blunder.
My lord, may I submit? They have informed that because the Lokayukt had made an appeal, so therefore they were having a bit confusion and therefore they did not do it. I specifically asked them that if an acquittal order has been passed,
You explain this order. You pay all the expenses for his TADA. Because for your mistake he is here. And ये practice आप लोग बंद कर दीजिए. ये प्रकरण में एक कोई खड़ा होकर बहस कर रहा है, फिर बीच में आके कोई दूसरा आके बहस करेगा. Stop this. I'm telling you, stop this.
I go down to that, my lord, and take back the step because when last time is
सर आपको ये ऑर्डर 27/9 को पता चल गया था. Why you have not asked for correcting this order? Why you waited for CEO to be here?
तो उनको नहीं पता चला.
Who has written this letter?
This is my letter.
Your letter.
Yes.
Yes. आप कह रहे हैं कि आपको जानकारी नहीं मिली.
My lord.
ये आप ही के सिग्नेचर से लेटर 28 तारीख को जारी हो रहा है.
जी.
Yes. Despite of that, you have made no efforts to get it corrected.
My lord, what I am saying, जब कोर्ट ने हमसे कहा, हमने टेलीफोनिकली उनसे बात करी, कोर्ट ने कहा था कि आप लेटर भेजेंगे, तब तक पता चलेगा कि नहीं. आप अपना रिस्पॉन्स बताइए कि ये क्यों नहीं रिवोकेंट का कर रहे हैं. हमने फोन करके पूछा, my lord, DO साहब के ऑफिस में लगाया और वहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया कि हम अभी
प्रॉब्लम यही हो रही है आप लोगों के साथ. आप DO साहब के ऑफिस में फोन लगाते हैं. This is the major problem with you people. You don't know how to handle this. You are standing here to defend them. You don't understand your status. This is the major problem. You are working on a wrong track. That is why these things happens.
Only humble request, my lord. जैसे ही उनको ये लेटर मिला था उन्होंने तत्काल उसमें काम किया और उधर रिवोक किया. वो जैसे ही हमको बताया my lord, हमने फाइल में लगा लिया. और आज उनकी अपीयरेंस थी, वो सुबह से पूछ रहे थे कि आ जाए. हमने कहा बिल्कुल आइए आप, आपको कोर्ट ने बुलाया my lord. उसके बाद और अभी कुछ दिन
बोला कि कोर्ट ने आपके हमारे स्टेटमेंट पे बुलाया है आपको.
मैंने डेफिनेटली बोला वो तो my lord आ ही रहे. और
आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि सीईओ कौन है, कौन आ रहा है, कौन नहीं आ रहा है. आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं, आपसे मिलना भी उचित नहीं समझता कोई. ये जो ऑफिस में जो आपको लेटर लिख रहा है, जो इस केस को डील कर रहा है,
मैटर वो
ऑफिसर और सीए से आके मिलना भी उचित नहीं समझता. ये रेपुटेशन है आपके जीओ ऑफिस की सब जगह. यस, वो लेटर जो इन्होंने रिवोक किया, सस्पेंशन, उसको एक्सप्लेन करिए.
तो इन्होंने शुरू से ही एक गलती करी हुई है. द पिटीशन उसी के लिए थी. शुरू से ही वो गलती इनकी चले आ रही है. और वो डॉक्यूमेंट भी
क्या समझ में आया लेटर पढ़ के? आप
परमिटेड टू रेक्टिफाई दिस my lord.
he is not asking for anything. He is sticking to his letter. He is still saying that कि वो लोकायुक्त का प्रकरण है, अपील डिसाइड होगी, सब करेंगे भुगतान.
my lord, with all due respect, मैं पूरा रेक्टिफाई करा दूंगा. ये आज ही के आज ये चीज क्लियर कर दे रहा हूँ कि एक बार एक्विटल हो गया, यू कैन नॉट गो इनटू एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग. ये गलत ऑर्डर.
नहीं पता कानून क्या है. हम सिर्फ इतना पूछ रहे हैं किस प्रोविजन के तहत आप इसकी ये भुगतान जो है, एरियर्स जो है, ये किस प्रोविजन के तहत रोक रहे हैं आप ये?
There is no such provision. This is a mistake. एक मौका दे दो my lord. जो है
मौका देना है.
ये
not asking for anything. He is standing there.
Please, I ask for unconditional apology, sir.
You argued that, you pointed out that कि वो अपील पेंडिंग है लोकायुक्त की, निराकरण के बाद भुगतान करेंगे.
No, sir. I just speak it my reasons. I changed the sir. Sir, I ask for apology.
How much time you require to clear all these things?
I'll pass it to the evening, sir.
Submit that he, as the suspension order is being revoked. However, in the last paragraph of this order date,
39/2020.
it is mentioned that the payment over the areas of the intervening period will be made after the final decision in the criminal appeal is concerned. The CEO was asked a specific question that under which provisions he has passed an order for withholding the areas once the petition has already been acquitted in a criminal case. There is no answer. So-and-so, you are yes only. Subsequently, yes only has marked his present before Deputy Advocate General has marked his present before the post and tendered his unconditional apology for not remaining present on the earlier occasion. Yes, आपको अपनी मिस्टेक के बारे में कुछ कहना है? जो ऑर्डर डेट 27/9/2024 में आपकी गलती की है आपने.
मतलब बस एक मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो गया था. और
मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ है वो ठीक है, आपने उसके लिए करेक्शन के लिए कोई स्टेप्स नहीं उठाए. Are you willing to pay TADA? गवर्नमेंट से नहीं
I make an unconditional apology again, my lord, because ये उसी वक्त मैंने ये बात इनको कह दी थी कि ये आप किस आधार पे रोक रहे हैं. वो
I'm not talking about.
आप मैं
सिर्फ ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके स्टेटमेंट के कारण सीईओ यहाँ है.
मतलब
This is your mistake. और वो मना कर रहे हैं, हमारे से आपकी कोई बात नहीं हुई है. इसका आप क्लैरिफिकेशन देना चाहते हैं या इस मैटर में इंक्वायरी कराना चाहते हैं या कुछ और कहना चाहते हैं? Submits that due to the mistake he has mentioned that he has a conversation with CEO Jila Panchayat respondent number 3 in the matter. Based upon his statement before the court, he was directed to remain present before this court. However, he tenders his unconditional apology for making such a statement before the court on 27/9/2020. Considering the fact that he has already tendered his apology for the same is accepted. He directed to remain cautious in future while dealing with the court cases. Remain cautious. On so and so, the CEO Jila Panchayat is present and he submit that he will pass a fresh order within a period of
2 days.
2 days.
One day, आज ही कर देंगे.
He will pass a fresh order and will clear all the clears during all the dues of the intervening period. Full stop. He prays for a short time to do the needful. Prayer is accepted. Suspension order revoke करके join कर लिया आपने?
My lord, it has been revoked yesterday. I'll have to take instruction on that.
As the suspension order has already been revoked, there's a matter in week commencing there's a matter on 15th of October 2024 to enable the CEO point out that whether the dues of the intervening period are clear or not and to show the modified order.